What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this remixing tutorial. Now if you've landed here then I assume you're probably wanting some sort of help when it comes to remixing a track. And this is totally normal and it can be quite overwhelming when remixing a track, especially when you have a load of questions in your head, such as what style should I do my remix in? Should I change the tempo? Am I able to change the key? If so, what's the best approach? What do all these parts mean and where do they go? And it can make it even more confusing when you have a remix pack with loads of different elements in, or a remix pack with just the one. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you what I do when I receive a remix pack and how I would go about getting ready for a remix while answering all the sort of confusing questions that I had in my head when I sort of first started. I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks that will save you time and will make your remix process much easier. It'll also make you have a better understanding of the original track and also just help you get started much quicker with the whole track itself. I'm also be going over each of the remix parts that you may or may not receive in the remix packs, and I'm also going to be going through other sort of issues that you may encounter when going through remix packs. As well as all this, I'll be going through my full thought process of how to start a remix and going through ways in which you can get creative with your remix parts to completely change the remix, make it your own, or even keep an essence of the original track. So if you are struggling to get started with your remixes, or you just want a completely different insight on how to sort of approach a remix, then be sure to check out this tutorial at allanmorrowstudios.com.